What's up? Welcome into the channel. I am Tori B, your renegade driver. Today I'm going to be showing you guys kind of what it's like to do Uber Eats. I only got a chance to really do one order delivery today, one order pickup today. And so I'm just going to show you how that process goes. If you guys have followed any of the other videos, pretty much everything is the same. If this is your first time watching this video and you have not seen any of the steps that it takes to kind of navigate the app in order to kind of better understand on how to use it, I suggest that you go back to one of the videos, one of the previous videos, to kind of see how it's done. I ended up turning on both sections for the drive and delivery, and I got most drive orders. I got one delivery order and I decided to record that. The drop off that I did, the person wanted me to meet them at the door, and that's very rare. It's very rare that people actually want to do the hand-to-hand transaction. Most Uber deliveries that I usually do, they usually do like a leave at the door. But depending on circumstances, whatever the case may be, you'll get people to say they want you to meet them. Yeah, but other than that, let's get into it. Alright, so right here, so where it says arriving soon, I'm already here. So I'm gonna tap the bar, and so right here you see how it says the person's name, then it has the number, it says 2 items. Sometimes you can go ahead and click the details, because it'll say this person has ordered drinks. Sometimes the establishment will forget to give you the drink, so if you leave out of here, or sometimes they'll put the drink inside the bag, and then sometimes they'll give you the drink on the side or whatever the case may be. So usually if the order has a drink, and if you just ask if the drink comes with that order. So this just allows you to look at what they've ordered. You cannot open the bag or anything, for it will be stapled. So the only thing that you're really going to be concerned about being a missing item when it comes to this point is either if the drink is in the bag or on the side. So and that's pretty much it. So what happens is, down there where it says start delivery, once you get the order, then that's where you'll start. All right, now let's go inside. Hi, I got to pick up for Jocelyn with Uber Eats.
Jocelyn?
Yeah.
Who?
H. You need the order number?
There you go.
Oh, you got it? Okay. Thank you.
Oh, wait, she's trying to break food.
That's it?
I can start that.
Okay.
Today, let's look at the first.
They said that the straw is inside the bag. Okay. Got it? You're welcome. Have a good one. Okay, so now that that's over, also what I forgot to mention was whenever you do the contactless delivery, the app will prompt you to take a picture of the order. Let's say you're taking a picture of the order and the person is there. There's an option where I believe you can skip it, but I'm not exactly sure. So if I get another one before I upload this video, then I'll show you guys what that looks like. But until then,